Alrighty guys, so jumping straight into the video, I am cleaning up my eyebrows using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in shade 12. So just making sure those are nice and sculpted. Also, make sure you blend out that concealer, sis. We don't do halo brows. No halo brows. That's not cute. Alright, so the next I will be jumping into the eyeshadow look, and first I will be priming my eyes using my Morphe eyeshadow primer, and then using my favorite palette right now, which is the Aina ABH palette, and I'm jumping right into ginger, followed by a little bit of, I think that was pinker. Was that pinker that I used, or was that, no, that's pinker. I gotta go back and look and see which one I went into, but just pretty much putting that in my crease using my Morphe 513 brush and blending accordingly. Next, I'm jumping into Wiggly's, because Wiggly's is bae. As you can see, that is absolutely gorgeous. This Aina ABH palette is gold. It really is. It's so bomb, dude. I just thought it would be perfect to do a nice fall time eye. So I'm just going through and blending that out. And then next I'm jumping into, I think, Big Wig, which is a dark purple on the outer end. Sorry if this voiceover isn't perfect, guys. Look, production, okay? Blame production. Alrighty, so now I'm going to be applying some glitter. This is just some leftover holiday glitter that I had from MAC that I got in gratis like literally a year or two ago. I don't even remember which holiday collection it was, but I just thought it was bomb. So I popped it on my eyes. Then I used my James Charles palette. I jumped into the James Charles palette. And I'm going to take some of that black shade, which I think is spooky. And I'm just going to pop that on the end just to give this look a little bit more smokiness. A little more smokiness, you know, just a little. And yeah, just smoke that out using a smaller blending brush on my outer crease. As you guys can see, I did my eyeshadow first because I knew that there was going to be glitter fallout. Also, too, I'm using that same black eyeshadow to kind of create a faux wing liner, like a faux liner. So that way that black kind of meets my like outer edge of my eye. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm just smudging that in, as you can see there. And yeah, so just also remember, blend, friend. Blending is your friend. So blend, 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 sis. And just making sure that it's nice and seamless and like the perfect fall time. I think this is the perfect fall time eye, or like perfect holiday eye. If you want to transition it from fall even into like the holiday season, darling, I think this would be a great fit. So now I'm just lining my waterline using my favorite little inexpensive gel water liner from Maybelline. It's like bulletproof, dude. Going back into that Aina ABH palette, and I'm just gonna smudge a little bit of Wiggly's on my bottom lash line underneath where I put that gel liner. This voiceover is not gonna be perfect, but y'all, it's okay. Nothing in life is perfect. You guys are still here with me. So now I'm cleaning up all that fallout so we can jump into the face. Those eyes look really cute, actually. Yeah, you did that, sis. You did that. Alrighty, so I'm priming my face using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Then I'm jumping into my favorite foundation, which is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation in the shade Legos 420. And yeah, just making sure that's blended out seamlessly. Then I'm going back in with that same concealer that I used to clean up under my brows, which is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 12, and just blending that out to perfection. To perfection. Just highlighting all the high points of my face, so on and so forth, like I always do. Now I'm going to go in. I've already set that using the Juvia's Place. Ooh, I got to look and see what Juvia's Place powder that is that I set that with. And then I'm actually using the James Charles palette to contour. I'm going between two of the brown shades. And I've been using that to contour lately. And you know what? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, so back into the eyes, just touching them up a little bit. And then I'm adding my lashes. Coming in with my face powder, which is my MAC Studio Fix face powder. I think an NW50. Studio Finish or Studio Fix, one of those two, I can't remember. Using my favorite blush palette, which is the Juvia's Place, and my favorite highlighter, which is the Artist Couture Le Bronze. Pop my lashes on, doing my mascara, and now we're about to jump into the main part of this video. Alrighty guys, so your girl is an official affiliate of a brand. I am the newest gang leader to More Rich Beauty, and they sent me over some really great PR. So as you can see here, these are some of their glosses. The one I just showed was Pretty Rich. The next one I'm about to show is one of my all-time favorites, which is, oh well, wait, first let me show you what Pretty Rich looks like. So that's Pretty Rich. It's like a really pretty pinky nude. Love it. Love it, love it, love it so much. Next, I will be showing you guys, I believe this one is Butter Love, which is like my favorite true nude. I've been rocking this one so much. It has become like my favorite just like nude gloss of all time. Look at that creaminess. So bomb. And then the last one that they sent me was this one here. And it is, if I'm not mistaken, Rich in Nude. I think this one is Rich in Nude. I'm pretty sure. And that's also like a mauve pink color. It's amazing. So I'm just going to show you guys really quickly the lip combo that I came up with. I decided to... Alrighty, so I'm coming in with this dark brown. This is actually an eyeliner from ColourPop, but I'm using it as a lip liner today. So I'm coming in with this dark brown lip liner, and I'm just overlining my lips really heavily like so. One overlining tip that I do is I completely just overline my Cupid's bow. I don't even like acknowledge it at all. Next, I'll be coming in with a little bit of this nude lipstick. I think this is Chai by ColourPop as well. I'm pretty sure this is Chai by ColourPop. And at first, honey, it is going to look stark. Like that looks real stark. But once I put the gloss on top, baby, it's gonna be butter, pure butter. But right now I look crazy, just a little crazy. But just keep blending, blend friend, blend friend. Alrighty, so I'm just going back in and just touching up the lips like so, making sure I get that nice overline pout that I want and like, and just making sure it's all blended together before I put my gloss on top. Yes, eye look. Yes, glitter. Yes, lips. It's coming together. So now that I have that nice and just blended down the way that I like, I'm coming in with more Rich's Butter Love right on top. Excuse me as I'm checking the camera. Look at that nude. Oh my God, that nude is so bomb, dude. Like it's Butter Love. Okay? That nude is life. Do you hear me? Look at that. That has become my favorite nude gloss. I swear it has. It used to be Peach Stock by MAC. Fuck that. It is this one now. I am in love with this lip gloss so much. Yes, you see how it just gives it that extra little, ooh, you see that pout, girl? Do you see the pout? Yes, that came out bomb. Just adding a little bit more gloss because I'm extra like that. Just a little extra because I'm extra. And that's pretty much it. I was trying to make sure I keep my wand clean because I don't like my wands getting dirty and contaminating the whole gloss. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. So just adding a little more to the center like so. And that is it, sis. That gloss, honey. Yes. Do you see that lip, though? Do you see the face? We feeling it. We definitely feeling it. It's a winner, winner chicken dinner. They did that. Pretty good. So this is the face, y'all. This is the face. I'm actually about to jump into this hair because as you guys see, the scarf is not where it's at. I wanted to do something fall time with a little bit of just edge to it. This is what I was feeling. This is what I came up with. So I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned because now I'm about to jump into this hair. And I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? You know what? It's because I haven't filmed in a little bit and life is changing. That's why I'm nervous. So, like I was saying, it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. Go hit the subscribe button as well as like this video, share. Hit the notification bell if you want to see every time I upload. Come join my little makeup community. We growing. We are 106 subscribers strong. 106 subscribers strong. I'm so excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And next, I'm about to jump into this wig, honey. So go ahead and click the next video to see how I get that. Alrighty, guys. Bye.